How do you perform a huff cough correctly for COPD? Imagine clearing your lungs without exhausting yourself. That's what a proper huff cough can do for you if you have chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It's a simple technique that helps move mucus out of your lungs more easily. First, sit comfortably with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor. This position helps your lungs expand fully and makes controlling your breathing easier. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs about 3/4 full. Don't breathe in too deeply, as that can make it harder to control the next steps. Hold your breath for about 2 to 3 seconds. This pause allows the air behind the mucus to loosen it up. Now, open your mouth slightly and exhale forcefully but steadily, making a huff sound. Think of fogging up a mirror or steaming a window. Use your stomach muscles to push the air out, not your throat. This controlled exhale is the key to a good huff cough. Repeat this huff 2 or 3 times, each time with a slightly smaller breath. Doing this helps move mucus from the smaller airways up toward the larger ones. After your last huff, take a full, deep breath and give one strong cough to clear the mucus from your larger airways. Rest for a few seconds and then repeat the cycle if needed. Keep practicing until your chest feels clearer. Remember, use the huff cough when you notice mucus in your chest or after using your bronchodilator medication. Keep a tissue nearby to catch any mucus you cough up and wash your hands afterward to prevent infection. Staying hydrated is also helpful because water keeps mucus loose and easier to clear. The huff cough is less tiring than a regular cough and more effective at clearing mucus. It protects your airways and makes breathing easier without straining your chest or throat. Practice regularly, and over time, it can become a natural part of your daily routine to help you breathe better.